Hi everyone, I'm Diana. Welcome to my channel. I bought a lot of clothes from Dolce Gabbana lately and I want to show them to you. I have this package and I have some clothing on the rack there behind me. So I'll unbox this and I'll show you what it looks like on me as well. So let's get started. I'll show you all of these items. So why wait? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish to see more videos. So here we go. So let's get going. I think I will start with a pair of shoes. I ordered a pair of ankle boots, which I find adorable. Aren't they cute? So I'll show you one of these a bit more up close. And they're just so damn cute. They remind me of Jeffrey Campbell boots. And I love them, of course. Next item is a dress. This is the Ivory Perpetual Night Maxi dress update. And I'll show you what this dress looks like. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a nightgown, but I will wear it as a dress. So this is the dress. I'll show you in a moment what it looks like on me. It's very transparent, so it's important to choose the right kind of underwear. Has the lace detailing. It's very long, and it has the lace on the bottom as well. So I think that this is very nice. So that's one of the dresses. This is what it looks like on me. Okay, so next item is another dress. White dress as well, with these small bumblebees and roses. You can see it up close. Got this frill detailing, the buttons that go all the way down, and this is a short dress with a waistband, and then you have these little thin bands that you just tie behind your neck. Adorable as well, and you'll see it on me right now. Next item are some really cute socks. I'll show them to you. I love thigh-high socks, and also these shorter ones that you can have with sandals. They have these cute little ribbons, pearl detailing, lace, everything you want under white to to match these dresses. I'll show you how I'll style them.
Check, check, check. 1, 2. 1, 2. My mom's shoulder blades carry the weight of the world. My pop's gaze turned men to stone. I had a dream of a place I could take home a girl.
Okay, 2 more accessories. I ordered these really cute fishnet gloves. White fishnet, lace detailing. Maybe I'll open the package for you. So as you can see, they're white fishnet gloves, lace detailing, and this little pink butterfly right here. And the last accessory, it's a choker. White lace, it has this silver cross, this safety pin details around the side. I think it's really cute. Okay, and the last item in this box is a pair of shoes. So this pair is from the brand Azalea Wang. These are just adorable. Look how cute! They remind me of Dolce Gabbana shoes. You have this cross with pearls, pink satin material with these flowers, this glittery glass piece or stone. Look at the size of that heel. It's amazing. I really love these shoes, so I'll show you how they look on me right now, and then I'll show you the other things that I bought that are on that rack. From the rack behind me, I have this corset. It's black, it's in lace, and look at this detailing. This goes in the back with this black satin ribbon. Wow. I'm planning to wear this together with the white dress that I just showed you. I think that this is really cute and sexy at the same time. have one more dress. It has this printed pattern, angels, clouds, it's purple, pink and white. Has like a vintage feel to it. The sleeves are amazing. It's short, it's a bit transparent, as you can see. It's a bit transparent, but not too much. And it has this high neck. So let's see how I style this.
La 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 la. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come on here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. Unlock your shop. We're about to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. La la la. Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up.
Okay, so I have one more pair of shoes. Also pink. These shoes. They're pink, glossy, like vegan leather, I guess. They have this pink fluffy material here, like peep toe. Really high chunky heels, so they're platform shoes. Black underneath, super comfortable to walk in. Silver buckle to tie around the ankle. They're really fun and cute. I mean, oh, I love them. I have ordered one more dress from Dolce Gabbana. As you can see, it's like this corset top and a skirt that you can tie so that it gets really fluffy. It has this Renaissance feel to it. It looks really red on camera, but it has a pink undertone, so it's more like a coral red. It's short, but not too short. And to be honest, I'm not sure when I would wear this, but I don't care. I'll find the occasion. And I think maybe with these shoes, or I don't know. Let's see. I'll show you how I style this in a second.
La vida de tiempo me compré un Rolex. La plata no es felicidad, pero invierto en Forex. Me confundo a quién amar, a quién mandarle flores. Yeah. Tener uno, tener más amores. Yeah. Tenemos hielo, yeah. Estamos ayer. Un doctorado, la oportunidad, yeah. Yo soy muy grande, que la que hay. Lo más que quiero es los saludos de mi madre. No le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dice que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah.
Okay guys, that's it. I hope you liked this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this or more hauls, please comment down below. If there's a specific brand that you'd like to see, please comment that as well, because I love to shop online and I do it a lot. Also, if you like this kind of content, or if you liked watching this video, you can subscribe to my channel. You're more than welcome, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!